An Albert app update can change how information loads, and checking your app version, account connection, and repayment details is the fastest way to troubleshoot the problem. By the end, you'll know how to fix repayment issues after an Albert update, refresh your account connection, and what steps to take if the app still shows incorrect information. Start by checking that the Albert app is updated to the latest version available on your device. Open your App Store, find Albert, and confirm that no update is waiting. Running an older version can cause features to behave differently after a major app change. Next, open Albert and review your repayment information. Check whether the payment details, account information, and repayment status match what you expect. If the information looks outdated, fully close the app and reopen it to refresh the connection. If the problem continues, check the bank account connected to Albert.ar. A repayment issue can happen when the linked account information is outdated or no longer matches the account you use. Open your account settings and confirm that the correct bank connection is active. If you recently changed banks or updated your account details, reconnecting your bank account may refresh the information Albert receives. Follow the connection steps carefully and make sure you enter the correct banking login details. Another step is signing out of Albert and signing back in. This refreshes your account session and can reload information that did not update correctly after the app change. If Albert is showing an error, freezing, or not loading repayment details properly, restart your phone before trying again. A device restart can clear temporary issues that affect how apps run. Avoid creating a new Albert account to fix a repayment problem. Changing accounts can make it harder to access your existing information and history. If you complete these steps and the repayment information is still incorrect, contact Albert support through the app. Include details about the update, what repayment information appears, and the steps you already tried. The main points are simple. Check for the latest Albert update, verify your connected account information, and contact support if the issue remains. Your next step is to open Albert, review your linked account, and refresh your repayment details before making any major account changes. If this guide helped you fix your Albert app issue, subscribe for more step-by-step app fixes and personal finance guides.